Our acquisitions have enabled us to add new capabilities, specifically in upfront product design and development, while growing our capacity to develop high-precision healthcare tooling on a global scale. That scale and expertise played a major role in our ability to position ourselves as the healthcare manufacturing partner of choice to leading innovators in pharma, diagnostics, and MedTech. Today, we take another step to reinforce this position with the transition of Formteknik to MGS.
Since joining the MGS family in January of 2021, the team at Formteknik has greatly accelerated our ability to deliver sophisticated, high-precision, high-quality tooling to pharma, diagnostic, and MedTech innovators in Europe. All of us at MGS are excited to take this next step forward. We will continue to serve as the manufacturing partner that leading healthcare innovators choose around the world. Together, let's bridge the gap between imagination and realization.